Which game is this from? It kind of sounds like something from Undertale. It is Undertale. Nice. Just followed. Let's go. Most of my keywords are stocked acrylic. I'm a big fan of stocked acrylic. Thank you for the follow. Good night, Liquid. Okay, please work. Please work. Pooh, honey, thank you for the follow. It works! Oh my god. We did it. We did it! I have a stacked acrylic Alice. My stacked acrylic Alice is actually my daily driver. I like Alice too. I am an Alice user. Okay. That's a very cute board. Thank you. Okay, we're gonna attempt to do a typing test. Oh, monkey. Hi, monkey. Okay. Baja round 2. I got a bear. I got a bear. Okay. What theme we going for? I'm so excited for my bear. You want Bingsu? You can do Bingsu. Da Bingsu. Where is it? Am I just... Oh, it's right here. Alright. We got so many people. Wow. Oh, did we miss Glenn's? Oh, you should have got the Neko small. Have you seen that one? That's a stacked acrylic Alice. 40s. You want to see it? Yeah. It ends today on the 1st. It's by Playmakers. It literally ends today.